Alright, welcome back, and you can see we got a load of 3-inch gravel delivered there in the background. So the first step, I wanted to do a little more grading to this lot, so I'm cutting off the top sod here, and I'm peeling down a high spot, adding it to a low spot to try and level this parking area out just a little bit more. So one thing to consider if you're doing this on your own, building a gravel pad like this, is you want to try to keep the water flowing off of it, which was why I added more to this low spot. So even though you're going to put your gravel base on here, if you have a low spot that would normally hold water, it will still hold water, and you'll compress that rock down into the soft ground even more. So that's why I'm kind of grading this low spot. So this is all kind of a gentle downhill run, so the water will still flow off of the gravel, keeping it dry, most of the time. So then after I get it rough graded, now I'm going to compact it with the tracks to try and minimize the gravel sucking into the dirt. If you compact it once or twice, you'll at least minimize the settling of your new base. So here's an after look of the new gravel pad here. I think it was only one load because I did not see two tops on the piles, which would be great if it was only one load. We really don't even need another, but I ordered 2 loads. This, what we're standing on, this is the old driveway. So there's a gravel base here, even though it's all grown over in sod. So this is firm. You can get into this year round. So that's why I tied it in the way I did. So this is the old driveway, and I couldn't quite get any more this way. It's starting to get a little thin, but for sure you can back in. Now I can back the truck and trailer in and not have to worry about getting stuck.
Think it'll work?
I think so.